So these are gonna be the list of ingredients we need. So cutting the chicken breast into smaller pieces to make it easy for cooking. Then first thing is to do marination, adding curd, Kashmiri chili, turmeric half tablespoon, garam masala half tablespoon, then chicken 65 masala half tablespoon, and salt. Then marinating it and keeping it on the stove for 30 minutes. Then, as I've shown in previous video, preheating that pan with oil and putting that marinated chicken on the pan until it's properly cooked. In the meantime, oil on another pan with chopped onions and dried chilies and frying it for some time until the onion turns golden yellow. In the meantime, this chicken are ready and it looks something like this, and onions are almost ready. Onion are lightly golden yellow, adding the chili sauce, a tablespoon of chili sauce, then tomato ketchup, a tablespoon, and once that's done, adding that cooked chicken into the mix, then adding a tablespoon of soya sauce, then a tablespoon of vinegar and salt, making sure that we are adding salt during the marination of the chicken. And next now, so adding salt according to your needs will give you the better taste after the chicken is cooked. Then mixing it well, and mixing it for around 5 to 10 minutes without covering the pan, and it will be done. So the cooking is over and it looks something like this, and this is how I cook my chicken, and it's really tasty. You should try this. So thank you for watching this video, and do give it a like and subscribe this channel.